homemade Hawken from a Traditions kit, St. Louis Hawken. Got it put together a while ago. It's just been hanging on the wall, and finally doing some shooting with it today. I just got it zeroed in using 60 grains of 2F, 490 round ball, and some prelude pillow ticking patches, and number 11 caps. So having pretty good luck. It's shooting about 4 inches high at 30 yards. So other than a different front sight post, I made about all the adjustments I can make to the rear. So for now we're just using Kentucky windage. I'm glad I took this thing out today. It's a good time. If you've never shot traditional muzzleloaders, it's a lot of fun. Something different. I actually enjoy it more than shooting modern guns. Process is fun. This is shot number 6 without any cleaning. So you can tell it's definitely a little stiffer. Getting the load down there, but all right. Steel plate down here. Woo! Smacked it. So there you go. Traditions Hawken works.